Hello, my name is Madison Belcher, and I will be taking you through my ePortfolio to show some of the projects that I really enjoyed completing this semester. I will be showing you my newsletter, my Google Forms quiz, and my Edpuzzle. So this is my first grade newsletter. To start with my newsletter, I had a really fun time creating a newsletter that is easy to read and one that I can potentially use for my future classroom. As you can see, using Google Slides, I created a December newsletter with mock announcements and calendar on the next page. So here's my calendar. I have included a QR code to the website of our field trip to the local ice rink so that parents can scan easily and be brought to the ice rink's website if they have any questions regarding the venue. This project was one of my favorites because it was easy to make and it was fun to personalize the winter month. I can also use this newsletter as a template for other newsletters that I can make when I am a teacher so that it is easy to interpret from a parent's or a principal's point of view. During this particular project, I learned how to place different shapes so that announcements can be displayed and organized in a clean, precise way. So that is my newsletter. The next project I will be showcasing as one of my favorites is the Google Forms quiz and data analysis. I did this by using Google Forms and created a mock first grade math quiz. So here's my quiz. My quiz is 10 questions with first grade level content as well as pictures that correlate to each question. I gave my quiz to 10 people and have recorded the data. For my data analysis, I can use to determine which concepts that may need to be retaught or which specific students are not retaining the information, which helps me in changing my instructive strategies. The Google Forms quiz is one of my favorite projects as well because it is an easy way to create online quizzes for my future students and can be also taken from home as homework assignments. I enjoyed the fact that I can see the results of my specific students and what questions they answered wrong. This project gave me a look inside what grading will be like when I am a future teacher. For my Google Forms quiz, I learned that Google Forms does not have to be used to give a direct quizzes, but also can be used for other kinds of assignments to keep track of students' progress of how well they are understanding the concept being assessed. So here are images of the data results. And here you can just see that there are questions and the answers that students have given. So to move on to Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a great way for students to use technology in the classroom and at home. Here's my
Let's see if we can compute what 14
a little bit of
minus
my
2.
Edpuzzle. Teachers can see this website to record their voice and go over a lesson from that day so students can look back at any time a specific lesson that was broken down by the teacher using Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle can be used from any kind of device and it is an effective homework and study tool. The Edpuzzle I created stops at specific points during the video with multiple choice and short answer type questions to make sure that students are paying attention to the lesson in the video. I enjoyed this project a great amount because of the fact that we are able to personalize questions according to the video, even if me as a teacher did not create the video itself. Teachers are still able to edit the video so it stops with a question that I think needs to be addressed for the student's competence in the subject. I learned through this project that using Edpuzzle for different types of assessments before and after a lesson can ensure that students are retaining the information being watched. So those are the 3 of my favorite assignments that we have done. As a result of completing these projects, I learned many things about myself as a person and as a teacher. I learned that I actually really enjoy making templates and putting my creative traits into my future career. In my opinion, it is very beneficial using technology in the classroom because of how quickly it is being advanced. I also believe that in the future, when I have to create a lesson plans, technology in itself will be a part of students' future curriculum, so being able to use technology in the classroom has a huge impact on the way that students are learning. Thank you for looking through some of my projects with me. I had a really fun time creating them, and it is something that I can take with me for my future career as a teacher. Thank you.